ஷானுக்கு ஒரு மெசேஜ் போட்டு
ஒன்னு 3D and 2D. So from 3D Gayatri S and 2D Santosh R. 2D Gayatri will present and 3D நான் பண்றேன். ஸோ இவங்க வந்து அவங்களோட டார்கெட் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டியில 360, பட் அவங்க எக்ஸீட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அவங்களோட டார்கெட்டை 379. அண்ட் குவாலிட்டி SLA ஆஸ் பர் ஆர் ப்ராசஸ் 95%, பட் காயத்ரி எவ்வளோ பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா 98.50%. அண்ட் இவங்க வந்து கிளைண்ட் கிட்ட இருந்து த்ரூ சாட் ஸ்லாக் சாட்ல அப்ரிசியேஷன் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. அண்ட் ஷீ இஸ் வித் மீ, இப்போ என் பக்கத்துல தான் அவங்க இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்க இன்னும் இப்போ நமக்கு எதுவும் வால்யூம் எங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா வீக்லி சப்மிஷன். ஸோ எதுவும் அன்னைக்கு எனக்கு இன்னும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா சப்மிட் பண்ணணும் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அவங்க வித்தவுட் எனி ஹெசிடேட் இவங்க எனக்கு ஒர்க் பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டு லாக் அவுட் பண்ணுவாங்க அவங்க ஷிஃப்ட் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணி. அண்ட் இஃப் நீட் அவங்க சாட்டர்டே சண்டேஸ் ஆல்சோ சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. தட்ஸ் இட் ஃப்ரம் மை எண்ட். ஸ்ரீலேகா.
நந்தினி, நீங்க உங்க டீம் நாமினேஷன் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, sir. Hi everyone, I'm Nandini from Scrutiny Process. We have nominated for Kausalya and Kamali. Both of these people commit our expected target every day without fail. They are maintaining 100% attendance every month, and these people properly maintain the shift timing. They have delivered the cases with 100% quality. Both people work on the weekend, on Sundays and during holiday period. In high volume situation, both are people giving 100% quality delivery. So we have nominated for Kausalya and Kamali. Thank you.
Thanks, Nandini. Next we have to move to Hapagloid team. Currently we received 3 nominations from Hapagloid. Vaidi, can you explain?
Hello. So I have nominated 2 persons. One is Soundarya and Pradeepa. They both are achieved productivity target and quality for the last month, and they are achieved quality 100%. And apart from that, both are involving other regions also apart from their regions, and they are extending shift and they are completing the targets as expectation. That's all.
Yeah, Jalashmi. So good evening to all. So for the month of July, I have nominated for Balaji, the team of EPOS. So what he did in the great job last month, whenever there is a requirement, he extend his shift beyond the normal working hours. And he has completed crash training for all other regions. Currently, we are doing in 6 regions. And he learned 2 more regions in last month. So that's the reason one of the key parameter I have nominated him. Also, the client target is 98%. He achieved over 100% production without any errors or escalations. He consistently maintained 100% quality for 8 months and upheld 100% turnaround. That for 6 months he maintained in the 100%. Also, he interact with his mentor on a daily basis via chat or email and a call also. So recently he has started preparing some reports. That is called in Hapagloid. We are currently doing in ops support team and pet team. So he is one of ops support team. So he has started preparing some reports and he was helped for myself whenever some requirement on the reports. He also helped to me. So as well as has been helping his team members also when they struggled in high volume. He helped to them, and he very much interested to learn new things and reports. So that's the reason I nominated him. So absolutely, he is deserved for this Machendra award. So that's it from my end. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajesh. Next, we have to go to Sudha.
Good afternoon. My nominee is Prabhavati Prabhu, HFC, POSP and others team. And she is deserved this award because last month she achieved the individual target and quality, and she is a consistent performer, and she is a senior employee. Starting of the process, multiple errors received from user end. Then she is take new initiative, coordinate the QC user, and discuss the users their error fields. Now, as a result of the quality percentage is 98. One of the main reason I am nominating her for this Machendra award. That's it. Thank you.
To need to share anything?
Yeah, Jagannathan. So last time we just nominated the HL team members, but none of them have got nominated and got a cash reward prize. So please re-look into the voting system, what you guys are doing in Kollu. So this was been escalated from my end to Veena already. So I will just do a follow-up on that. So adding to that, Srilekha, I need you to speak to Shan regarding this as well. So last time also I escalated to you regarding this.
Yeah, I remember Gokul.
Last time none of our HL users have got the prize, Srilekha. So from both the locations.
Okay.
So the nominations need to be more visibilities. That is what I just told. So it has to be more scrutinized.
Maybe we'll try to collect a point why they are voting for the people. Okay, if the people are voting, they have to choose 4 people from the out of the 10 list, right? So we'll ask them to give one reason why they have chosen the candidate. Okay, will
sure,
that work?
Let us try.
Sorry.
Let's try, Srilekha. I cannot give vote.
Because let's try. That's what I'm saying. So every time we are trying to do it, because usually we only collect the vote. We don't collect the reason why they are giving vote to them. Okay, so this time we can add one description in that why they have voted.
Also, I have seen nobody, the entire Kollu DNX team was not being a part of this call. So I don't know on what basis they will be selecting the candidates.
Only the nominations are there. Here, nominators are only here. The recorded link sent to the DNX leaders.
No, that is there, Srilekha. But how we are pretty much confident that they are going and see the recorded mission which has been done already. That is their challenges.
That is there.
So without somebody has been listening to the explanation given by the particular supervisor, then the voting system will be not working in the right way. That is what my concern is.
Yeah, I understand.
So people are asking me, I was not able to answer them back. So we are just giving so much like that they are asking me every time. And also they felt very bad. How come none of our users have been got selected last time? That is the feedback I received from users.
Okay.
So this has to be looked up.
I'll just escalate the same, Gokul. Okay, we'll see what else we can do it on this. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So, Jaya, please consider the point and make sure that DNX leader are listening and get the answer from them why they are voting to the concerned people. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Not be like gang voting whom you voted also. So such things. Okay, the hard work should be rewarded. That's the reason so much of effort are taken. Okay. And make sure that you are collecting the name of the people who are not voting. Okay. So every time only 100, I don't know whether 100% you are getting a vote from all the DNX. Okay. Just cross check and give me an update. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, team. Thanks everyone for joining. Great day.
Thank you.